That's why I don't speed. Hey, you heard that? That's why I don't speed, Papa. You gotta go reasonable, man. 5, 10, this guy's gonna cause an accident. Look at it. Look at that one. Look at that one.
Would Vera want to eat them?
Oh shoot! You didn't have to go that much over. Yo, man, you pulling the Cisco, bro.
What?
30 fucking 5. Like I get fucking not doing. Right here, see? As I'm doing my vlog, subscribe members only 99 cents a month, and you get. This guy double parks, which you're not supposed to. Blocking the bus, having like people just don't care. Just look this one. You didn't even have to move that much, but yeah. See what happens when you double park? Cause cars to go opposite way of traffic. Put it aside when it comes to doing extra shit. In other words, don't do extra shit. That's this car right here. Look. KKY 5334. You're already going above the limit. You don't want to go too much. If you go, oh fucking dick, you almost hit that bum. Not even looking.
Yeah. He's hot. He's going into the. But I'm sure when you put the make and model, it tells you. Like, where are you going?
Like, you're letting him go in front of you. What is he trying to do?
Oh, he wants to tell this guy something. That's what it was.
Wow, he's sticking a middle finger.
Yeah.
Why?
But he did a zipper merge. He was fine.
Yeah, that was totally fine.
Yeah, but it's those two.
Over one car.
Yeah, he did a zipper merge.
Like,
the guy in front of went in front of him, so he did a zipper merge. It was his turn to go in.
that
Now,
was-
if I didn't let him go in, he could curse me out if he wants to.
Yeah.
Even though I do have the right of way.
Yeah.
No one stops at that line. No signal just throws us all right in. I'm telling you. I swear, man. What the fuck is wrong with people? Jesus. They just throw their car right in. This guy runs the light. Wow. Runs the light. KLV 5946. Look at this guy. What are you doing? Why I don't speed. You see. Yeah. Uh-oh. Spark up a new spot.